Today's video is about this iPhone 12 Pro Max that the screen gets stuck on the magnifying glass. Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and today with the help of Leonardo we are going to see a kind of repair which can help us to generate a good income. We'll use a suction cup and an ultra-thin pick to open a hole. Then we use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We can also use a plastic pick guitar. Once we remove the screen, we remove the 4 screws and the metal sheet. Here we have the battery connector. You just have to disconnect it and reconnect it. In this way we can find the solution of the failure of this device. If you like the content of our YouTube channel, I invite you to give us a strong like and to share it, because in this way we'll continue to share with you real repairs from our laboratory. Thank you. Guys, this was today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.